Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today I'm drawing one of the greatest football players in history, Cristiano Ronaldo. Known for his incredible athleticism, goal-scoring ability, and iconic celebrations, Ronaldo has inspired millions of fans around the world. I begin with a rough outline of the head and body. At this stage, I'm not worried about details. My focus is on getting the proportions right. Since this pose shows strength and confidence, it's important to capture the posture accurately. Next, I refine the facial structure. The jawline, hairstyle, and expression are some of the key elements that make this artwork recognizable. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in the final result. Now I'm moving on to the upper body. Ronaldo is known for his incredible physique, so I carefully sketch the shoulders, chest, and arms. Understanding muscle structure helps create a more realistic drawing. With the main outline complete, I start adding details. I define the muscles, clothing folds, and body contours. This stage begins to bring the artwork to life. Next comes one of my favorite parts, shading. Shading adds depth and dimension to the drawing. By identifying where light hits the body and where shadows naturally form, I can create a three-dimensional effect. As I continue shading, the drawing starts to look more realistic. The contrast between highlights and dark areas helps emphasize the powerful pose. Now I focus on the shorts and smaller details. Even though these areas may seem less important, they contribute to the overall balance of the artwork. Every line matters. The background is kept simple so that the focus remains on Ronaldo. Sometimes less is more when creating sports artwork. One of the most challenging parts of this drawing is maintaining symmetry and proportion throughout the process. Taking time to observe reference images carefully helps avoid mistakes and improves accuracy. As the final touches are added, I increase contrast in key areas and refine the edges. These finishing details help make the drawing stand out. And there we have it, a completed Cristiano Ronaldo fan art drawing. This project was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching the entire creative process. If you're an aspiring artist, remember that improvement comes through consistent practice. Every drawing teaches something new. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because that's how growth happens. Let me know in the comments which football player or sports legend you'd like to see next. Your suggestions help shape future videos on this channel. If you enjoyed this drawing, please leave a like and subscribe to Hobbyist Artist for more art tutorials, speed drawings, fan art creations, and creative content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next artwork. Keep creating, keep learning, and never stop drawing.